Do you need to install cabinet handles or knobs with millimeter precision and super quickly? Check out this tool that will completely change your productivity. We're talking about the 3-piece adjustable drilling guide from RUITOOL, made of high-quality aluminum alloy. If you're tired of struggling to align holes perfectly, get ready to meet the ultimate solution. With this guide, your cabinet handles, knobs, and pulls will be installed flawlessly, always in the right place, without the repetitive work of measuring and recalculating. Imagine never having to redo holes again. It's so easy to use that anyone, even without experience, can achieve professional results. This tool is perfect for those who are renovating kitchen cabinets, cupboards, or any carpentry project. Made of aluminum, it's lightweight, durable, and adjustable, offering the flexibility and strength you need for all types of projects. It adapts to various cabinets and drawers, whether in residential or commercial settings. No power required, it's completely manual and ready for immediate use. With this tool, your productivity will skyrocket, and your furniture will have a flawless finish. And the best part? The customer reviews confirm it, over 87 reviews with an average of 4.9 stars. This means satisfaction is guaranteed. Users frequently praise its solid build, fast delivery, and ease of use. Plus, with this guide, you'll avoid waste and save both time and money. You know I only show products here that are truly worth it, and of course, this RUITOOL guide is simply amazing. If you want to elevate your projects, the discount link is in the video description. Take advantage of it while it's available, and make your furniture look like it just came out of a luxury workshop.